we're going to look at a few human inventions that we lost and had to reinvent centuries later. Starting with a frickin' laser.
Ken Glazer? Who's that?
Archimedes Death Ray, ancient laser. Archimedes of Syracuse was a brilliant mathematician and engineer. He studied in Alexandria and then returned home to build war machines to protect his city from Roman invasion. He designed massive grappling hooks that could flip warships. But one of his most unique contributions to the city's defense was the heat ray. Like a kid playing with a magnifying glass, Archimedes is said to have destroyed enemy ships with fire from burning glasses during the Siege of Syracuse in 212 BCE. While the reports are a bit hazy, it was believed that the ships were set ablaze using mirrors to focus all the sun's light into a single point. Modern attempts to recreate this technology have found that a lot of things would have had to line up in order to make this heat ray work. But in theory, it's possible. Even if it just blinded the enemy soldiers while they fired flaming arrows, it's still a pretty cool device. But after the Romans eventually sacked the city, the heat ray never made it into their arsenal, so it was lost to legend.